Welcome to Motivations Podcast on Acoli Pro Hivo TV channel. If you have not yet subscribed, join the thousands and subscribe. In this video, I'm going to talk about a quote which talks about dark-hearted people and why doing bad for others is not good. Let's go. Now, I'm going to use the idea of mud. This mud is a pesky soil. He who stays in the mud to hold another person down in the mud must remain in the mud in order to keep the person in the mud. In other words, he who holds another person in the mud must stay in the mud to keep the person he or she is holding in the mud. What do I mean? If you focus at bringing someone down, at fighting somebody back, at pulling the person back from a higher level, then you will unknowingly also be pulling yourself back. Because in order for you to put the person on a lower level, you will have to do the same. For example, if you're a politician, maybe you're in local council and you want a fellow politician to fall, you have to focus at the politics in the local government. This will block you from focusing going up. So you will stay in the same pool of local government so that you make sure the person is at that level. These also apply to other forms of struggles that people do in life. Even in class, for those who are at school, if you focus at only letting your friend fail, you will also be focusing at remaining in failure. Because this is a question of jealousy. If you stay jealous and you practice it, it will haunt you and you will remain at that same level, or you will fall backward if the person proves to be resistant enough or tolerant enough. So now, it's a clear thing. Holding another person downward, you will be thinking that, wow, yes, let him stay back. These days, some people have changed their strategy. They even say, we are now the same. In Acoli language, we are now the same. Or sometimes they say, that everyone should be the same. But that's not how life is. Instead of you focusing at improving yourself, you are focusing at pulling another person down to where you are, and you will remain there. Because the moment you try to go, that person you're holding will also skip and go forward. The examples are enormous. Even in businesses, there are those who try, there are those who can hire thieves to loot or to rob from another person's shop or from a competitor's shop, simply because they want to monopolize the business in that particular area. But they don't know that the time they have spent to plan to bring the downfall of another person's business is the time they have wasted, of which they would have used it properly to improve their own business, to make sure that their business grow up. It would have taken time for them to polish There are strategies to think about new ideas so that the business move forward and go higher than where they're looking at. So it is just too much. The examples are very many. So all in all, we should not focus at bringing another person down. Focus at going up. If you know the person has made you annoyed, if you know the person has fought you, as they say, the best revenge is success. I love how footballers do. Whenever they are made annoyed, they score goals. Like those racist people. When racism is practiced against Africans, they struggle and they score goals. And they celebrate. Now, think about this. If I made you angry, I made you sad intentionally, then another day I see you succeeding. For example, I blocked you from getting this job, and another day I've seen you have been appointed in a bigger organization or in a bigger position. Wear that shoes in your feet. How do you feel? How do you think I would be feeling seeing you going higher? Yeah, of course, I would not be feeling nice. That's why the best revenge in life is success. Even in love relationship, someone maybe worked out a certain war against you and you failed in your relationship. But now, you're settled with someone. You're okay with someone. You're doing well with someone. How do you think the other person will look at you? The person will be in deep pain because you have succeeded. His or her wish was to see you fail, was to see you sad. But again, seeing you happy, smiling, and succeeding. That is the best, perfect revenge in life. So focus at the perfect revenge if somebody makes you annoyed, instead of focusing at pulling the person down. And also stop being jealous. Because when you be jealous, you focus at fighting somebody down, then you stay down. Therefore, he who pulls another person down in the mud must remain staying in the mud in order to keep the person intact into the mud. Thank you for watching this. And if you are already subscribed, I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.